Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. On previous session, the Dow Jones closed at 300 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 107 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 34.62 points positive. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a gap up opening of 62 points. Now, let's talk about FII DIA data. Now, very interesting. On previous session, which was on Friday, the FII, they sold close to 4,000 crores. On the other hand, DII, domestic institutions, they bought close to 4,103 crores. But what's more interesting is look at their index level futures buying. Now, index options buying alone was around 21,659 crores worth of options they have bought. And only alone in Nifty, they have bought 21,199 crores worth of options. So yes, they are bullish on Nifty, and in alone Nifty they have bought around close to 90% of their buying in index. So yes, looks very bullish. Now SGS Nifty showing a gap up opening of 80 points. But what's more interesting is look at gold and silver. I think 2 to 3 previous session back, I told I won't be surprised that if gold will cross $5,000. Look at where the gold is now. Gold is now above $5,050. On the other hand, look at silver. I said I won't be surprised if silver will cross $100. Look at where it is now. It is at $108. So yes, gold and silver has outperformed every other asset in the world. Even look at all the emerging markets like Taiwan, Thailand, Japan, and all these companies. Even matter of fact, America, gold and silver has outperformed every single asset in the world. So yes, I think the movement is very, very strong and it will keep continuing. Looking at the global situation, global scenario, I think gold and silver is a way to go. Now, very important Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now closing was around below 25,200 and it closed at 25,079. Now the support is emerging at 25,000 and the resistance is 25,200. 25,200 gonna be a very important resistance for Nifty, and watch out Nifty at those levels. Now similarly, Bank Nifty closing was around 58,522. Now the support is at 58,000 and resistance is 59,000. Bank Nifty looks very similar and straightforward, but Nifty is where the real skill is coming out. So 25,200 is going to be important resistance on Nifty. So watch Nifty at 25,200 how it is behaving. Now some important corporate news. Kotak Bank, JSW Steel and Axis Bank Ultratech, they all came out with results. So let's discuss each companies one by one, shall we? Now Kotak Bank, their net revenue came by 5.3% and net profit is up by 4.70%. Ultratech, their revenue is up by 27% and net profit is up by 17%. Axis Bank, their net profit and revenue is up by 4.80%, but look at net profit is up by only 4%. But what's more impressed me more than any other company was look at JSW results. Their net revenue is up by 11%, but look at their net profit. It is up by 198%. It was close to 2,139 crores. So massive, big, strong results from JSW. So very bullish on JSW. Looks very good. I think it is the best of best in Nifty stocks. So JSW has given the best results amongst all the Nifty 50 stocks. Now another very important update that is coming out. US and India trade deal that is happening. This is a mother of all. So which all sectors will be impacted? Just like how every coin has two sides, similarly this trade will also have two sides. So the sectors which will be benefiting will be textile, leather, gems and jewelry. All these sectors will be very good because they get a very open and big market in EU, European Union. Now the sectors which will be affected, number one will be auto sector. I think this year I wanted to buy a very big car. I think it was above 2 crores worth of car, but I think I want to wait it down because look at the tax bracket. they're going to be reducing from 110% to just 40% import duties. So yes, I think the prices of the cars like Mercedes, Audi, all these companies cars will be reduced. So it's a better deal. So auto companies, local auto companies will be in a little bit, a down trend. So that can also drag the Nifty down. But other sectors like textile, gems and jewelry, leather sectors, all these companies can get benefit because they're getting exposure to a big market in European Union. So yes, this is it for today's. Thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.